So you've probably seen asparagus wrapped in bacon before, but we're going full flavor mode today. First things first, rinse your asparagus under cold water and pat them dry with a clean towel. Dry asparagus equals crispy bacon. Wet asparagus equals sad bacon. Next, let's get rid of those tough woody ends. Easiest trick? Just bend the stalk gently. It'll snap exactly where the tender part begins. It's like nature's built-in asparagus tester. Then, if you want to get extra tidy, line them up and trim the ends so they're all the same length. Optional, but makes the final result look restaurant-worthy. Now grab a peeler and carefully shave the lower part of each stem. Just a few strokes to smooth it out. You're not giving them a makeover, just a light spa treatment. Where are you watching from? And when do you usually watch recipe videos? We'd love to know so we can post at the perfect time for you. Time to blanch. Yep, we're getting a little fancy today. Grab a pan, fill it with water, and bring it to a full boil. Don't forget to toss in a pinch of salt. Only once the water's boiling, and not a second before, gently drop in your asparagus. Think of it as a hot tub moment, but with flavor benefits. Now here's a pro move. Transfer the blanched asparagus straight into ice water. That quick shock stops the cooking instantly and keeps the texture perfect. Basically, we're flash freezing their ambition to overcook. Once they're cooled down, transfer them onto a towel and gently pat them dry again. Yep, the dry rule still applies. Let's talk bacon. If your strips are too wide, slice them in half. You want enough bacon to wrap, but not so much that it turns into a full meat jacket. Now group your asparagus, 2 stalks per bundle. Sprinkle a bit of freshly ground black pepper, then half a teaspoon of garlic powder per set. It's not overpowering, but just enough to make people say, "Okay, what's in that?" And now, the magic moment. Take a strip of bacon and start wrapping from the bottom up. Nice and tight, like you're tucking them in for a cozy, crispy nap. If you feel like bacon's slipping, try overlapping slightly or even securing with a toothpick if needed. Everything's ready. Time to hit the air fryer. Gently place your wrapped bundles into the basket, leaving some space between them. They need airflow to get that beautiful crisp all around. No bacon crowding, please. Set your air fryer to 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Want that bacon a bit crispier? Add 2 more minutes. No shame in going full crunch. Time's up. Open that air fryer and just listen. And there you go. Crispy bacon-wrapped asparagus that brings the crunch, the flavor, and the snacky joy. Let us know in the comments. Would you change anything? Add spice? Switch the cheese? We'd love to hear your take. If you like the recipe, hit that like button, subscribe for more air fryer goodness, and we'll see you in the next one.